Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you what you can find in the search bar in the Quizlet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the search bar at the top of the page. And as you can see, you can search for sets, textbooks, questions. And here are some recommendations, for example, Biology 101. And here you can find previews as well as related questions to it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.